Welcome back to Off the Record. You're watching Off the Record with me, Divya Singaravelu. We have Prashant Tyagarajan here as our guest. And before we went into the break, I just mentioned about Prashant's possible directorial ventures. And Prashant here almost had a panic attack saying that he's not looking at any directorial ventures as of now. So why not, Prashant? I mean, your dad is a noted director. Your grandfather is a noted director in most of the South Indian, films. Why is that you don't want to venture into directorial, aspects of filmmaking?
Very simple. I'm a very selfish person because I have a great director, with me, with my dad. So why should I suffer when I already have a lovely person, Because direction is such a huge job. It takes a lot of pressure and it takes a lot of effort to be a good director. So as an actor, I would rather prefer being an actor and enjoying the plus points of being an actor. And well, my dad, directs me. I think that's fun. That's more fun.
Okay, so is it very difficult or is it very easy to act under your father's direction?
He always treated me as his best friend, and we have a great rapport that we share. In fact, I can talk to him anything under the sun that I can't even share with my friends. Since he has made me, he's treated me as his best friend. There's nothing that we do, we don't talk under the sun. And being under his direction, he knows the plus point of me. Since he himself has trained me in a lot of the stuffs, so that's helped me as an actor, and he knows how to utilize me, how he knows how to bring out my potential, my abilities to the screen, and he makes sure that he shows me the right way. So as an actor, I think I need a director who can take care of me in all the best of possible senses that we can ever think about, like showing me the best of costumes, or best of scenes, or
best of heroines to act with,
best of actors to act with. So, so when all that is taken care, I'm enjoying a life where a few heroes would ever be in my position to enjoy, where everything's taken care of. And I can't ask for more from a father who's, and I can't ask more from a director, such a wonderful director that he is. Today people are looking upon him and praising him in every possible way, that you've done a great job and all that. The movie is fantastic and everything, and it's impossible. What dad has done, I think, is quite impossible. Only a few who can ever accomplish what he's done. So being a son, I'm proud of the fact that my dad is a wonderful director. And being an actor, I'm always thankful to God for giving me such a lovely person to direct me in all these ventures.
All right, so after Jeans, we see you again in a dual action role. And like Jeans, do you think that this one also could be sent as the Indian submission for the Academy Awards this year?
Definitely, because right now we already had an offering from the Cannes Film Festival, because the Indian submission this year was not up to the, they didn't have a lot of wonderful films. Okay. So we just missed it because it was a narrow margin, and we had a release date. The submission should have happened by March 15th for the Cannes. But we are looking at all the other international films. Venice is coming up. The Berlin is, we are looking at the other, you name all the other film festivals, like from Toronto, you name it. So we're looking at all the other film festivals, and I'm sure, because we already had the French delegation looking at it, and they were impressed. They were really mightily impressed of whatever we have seen. And right now the international market is looking upon this project in a very different angle. And they wanted to, actually, we are getting offers to release this movie in English too. So let's see.
Okay, English as in dubbed in English or remade in English?
Basically, it will be dubbed in English, because remaking this again will take another 5 years. So I don't want to
we don't want to wait that long.
No.
Okay, so how difficult was it to don the dual role again? I heard somewhere that you had to change your costume so many times during the day to play between the two characters, two brothers.
Well, good things don't come easy. And since already done Jeans, it gave me an insight into what I would be going through. And but I never realized, because Jeans was kind of casuals. It was just a shirt and casual dresses. But this being a period film, there was this entire armor outfit that I had to wear. And once I finished one shot of Ponar, then I had to jump to Shankar. So the time that took itself was 10 minutes. So we are facing a lot of hassle because lighting would change and all that. So I had an entire group of, you won't believe this, around I think 6 costumers. So the moment I would be off the one shot, I would be standing like a robot, and there would be like assembly part, like everything is taken apart and again put in. It was so the guys were so well tuned. It's like a Ferrari car, pit stop. So you just rush and zang, everything, removing the spare parts, tires coming out, fueling, and then you get how a pit stop works. That's exactly how we worked, and we were able to can so much of shot because let's say in a day we shot at least around minimum of 80 shots. All that possible because I have a great pit crew behind me.
Oh, great.
So everybody worked hard on that, and it was tough.
Okay.
Let me not just laugh it off, but it was tough being able to do that. But I enjoyed it. That's the best
Okay.
part of being an actor. You get to do everything, get to do something new, and
Speaking about actors getting to do everything, if you look at the breadth of the characters that you portrayed, different shades, different characters, but mostly to do with love stories, right? Or is there any kind of different projects that you would like to work on, or any different kind of characters that you would like to assume apart from the ones that you've already done so far?
well, I had to do those roles because like you said, I joined this when I was 17. So I have to do only love movies because I was a young teenager. Coming from there, I couldn't be a father of 5 kids or taking a big arwal and chasing people. I had to do whatever my structure, my body structure, and my face. What are the characters that can be portrayed with that physique. So as the years progressed, then my progression to the next level of degree of society. It's society,
Okay.
society.
Okay.
We have different roles: a
Okay.
doctor, or a lawyer,
Okay,
or
okay.
then a guy grows up from college, and then he's a man, and then what happens? So right now I just go with the roles which suit my personality, which suits my physique, and when it comes to roles that I want to portray, already what I'm doing right now is I have my hands full, and I'm very
Mamatya,
content.
how is the role?
Oh yeah, Mamatya is huge again because that's a project where my dad did that. Again, we're creating a records in this because first time maybe in world cinema where an actor is directing the movie that he has acted, and again his son is acting as a hero. So we again doing that project, and we have the best of star cast even in that. We have Prakash Raj, we have Meera Jasmine, we have Vadivel, we have a huge another ensemble of stars in that. And when Dad did that movie, there were around 100 police chasing him. Here there are 1,000 police chasing me. So the canvas again is huge. It's come out very interesting. People who have seen it have really again praised Dad
You're
for
not
his
shy
effort.
of spending money, are you? In your movies at least.
It's not about money. It's what the project deserves, because we did a movie called Shock. See, for example, this movie took 5 years. Ponna Shankar took 5 years to make. Whereas the same team, that's Dad and me, we did a movie called Shock. We finished the shooting in 18 days. So it's not a matter of money or spending money. It's the project that we work on and how we execute the project. It's how much the project demands from us. So it's if the project demands so much, we have to spend. Otherwise, at the end of the day, when you look at the project and say, it's not good enough.
There's one more sequel coming your way, right? Pulan Visaranai Part 2.
Yeah.
So tell us something about that project.
Well, Pulan Visaranai means FIR, first investigation report. So investigation is still on. So the moment it gets completed, we'll talk more about it.
All right, so that's it for you. You're watching Off the Record with me, Divya Singaravelu, and our guest Prashant Tyagarajan. If you have any feedback for us, please write into me. Our email address is feedback@ndtv-hindu.com.